My friend Binod and me started Wow Momos 7 years back with an investment of only 30,000. Last March, we clocked a turnover of 20 crores. Got our first round of funding at 100 crore valuation. This March closing at 35 crores, 65 outlets in the country, currently in 7 cities. Now, what made us wow? What made us click? Basically, our biggest insight has been product innovation. I mean, when we started Wow Momo, steam momos were largely available. We said, let's play with momos. So we came up with 12 different flavors in steam momos itself. But we wanted to innovate further. So we came up with pan-fried momos, where the momos are fried and tossed in specially prepared sauces. We wanted to convert a momo into a meal. So we came up with burger momo, where we stuffed 2 pieces of fried momo between the burger breads. We wanted a dessert in our menu. We came up with chocolate momo. We just launched a baked momo or gratin, where you have a layer of pan-fried momo, then white cream, noodles, and cheese. We wanted a larger meal, so we came up with sizzler momos. 6 pieces of momos, 3 steamed, 3 pan steamed, served with noodles or rice, and sizzled and served. Again, jo dikhta hai, wo bikta hai. So if one consumer is buying it, he's seeing it sizzling, others are seeing it, it attracts you to buy it. So our biggest thing has been, I think, product innovation. We've really played with momos. We've given consumers something new to look forward to. I think in today's world, it's very important to be a trendsetter. And I guess we've been that trendsetter, we've been there, done that. I think we are way ahead of competition. We don't really have any competition. It's a virgin market for us. And the pace at which we are growing, I think that's what sets us apart. So, today if someone tries to copy us and comes up with a chocolate momo, they know, yaar, ye to wow momo karta tha, uski tarah hi kar raha hai. And what did we do? We did simple things with style. I mean, come on, we bootstrapped from a 30K to a 20 crore turnover. We just gave our brand a good look and feel, a nice logo, attractive color, creating an impression in the mind of the consumer through our packaging. And that's about it, just doing simple things with style. And I think that's how sometimes the toughest thing to do are to, keep things simple. So that's been one of our biggest insights.